This video will guide you through reviewing a business purchase agreement. Reviewing business purchase agreements is a commonly requested project on the Contracts Council platform and is crucial for both buyers and sellers to understand the key terms and implications before signing. If you've received a business purchase agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided additional information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a business purchase agreement, key terms to find and understand in your agreement, costs to hire a lawyer for a review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for business purchase agreements. Business purchase agreements are legally binding agreements that can significantly impact the sale and purchase of a business. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Assets and liabilities. Understand what assets and liabilities are included in the sale. The agreement should itemize all included assets and specify any excluded assets. Representations and warranties. Both parties usually provide representations and warranties. Verify the accuracy of statements about the business's financial status, legal compliance, and any other critical aspects. This is important. These are accurate and what you want. Closing conditions. Confirm the conditions that must be met before the sale can be finalized, such as obtaining financing, regulatory approvals, and the satisfactory completion of due diligence. Legal compliance. The agreement must comply with all relevant local, state, and federal laws. Consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a business purchase agreement. They can ensure the contract is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. Key terms to understand. Business purchase agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the legal names and details of all parties involved are correctly stated. 2. Purchase price and allocation. Confirm the total purchase price and how it will be allocated among different assets such as inventory, equipment, and goodwill. 3. Due diligence. Review the due diligence process, including timelines for the buyer to inspect and verify the business's finances, operations, and legal compliance. 4. Non-compete agreements. Look for clauses that prevent the seller from starting a competing business within a certain time and geographic area after the sale. 5. Employee matters. Understand how the transfer of employees will be handled, including the assignment of employment contracts and any severance obligations. 6. Termination rights. Review the conditions under which either party can terminate the agreement, including any notice requirements. 7. Indemnification. Understand the indemnification clauses, which outline responsibilities and protections in case of losses or damages arising from breaches of the agreement or other issues. And 8. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your business purchase agreement is always recommended. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on our data, the average cost to review a business purchase agreement is $1,010 on a flat fee. This is based on 50 recent projects from across all U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it'll require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a business purchase agreement is critical in securing a successful sale and protecting your interests. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Council or visit contractscouncil.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.